how to sketch the graphs of linear inequalities in 104 seconds. Let's go. When it comes, guys, to sketching a linear inequality, we're going to treat it just like sketching a regular graph, pretending that our inequality sign was an equal to sign. But we're going to make sure a couple of things. The first thing is that if we have an or equal to sign, like in this example, we use a regular line. But if we don't have the or equal to sign, so if we just had a less than or a greater than sign, we would use a dotted line instead of a regular line. And then the second thing that we're going to make sure is that we shade the correct region of the graph, which I'll talk about, towards the back end. Let's have a look. The question says, shade the region of the graph which satisfies y is greater than or equal to x plus 2. First of all, sketching y equals x plus 2, what's it going to be? We have a y-intercept here, the number on the end of 2, so we can plot that point on. We have y-intercept of 2 there. And then we have a gradient of 1 because there's effectively an imaginary 1 in front of that x. So the m part of the y equals mx plus c is 1. So we're going to go 1 across 1 up, 1 across 1 up. That gives us a few points which we can join with a straight line. And we can see there, guys, that we have our line y equals x plus 2. Now, where do we go from there? We need to either shade above the line or below the line. Which one's it going to be? Well, we want all of the points of the region on our graph where y is greater than or equal to x plus 2. So we need the value of y, we need the height to be bigger than our line. So guys, we're going to shade above our line. And let me get a nicer highlighter out than that. Yeah, we're going to shade above our line, and that is going to be our region. Now, some people talk about the method where you can substitute in a point, normally 0, 0, and check whether the inequality is true or not. You can also use that method, but it's not really necessary here. We can just say that because we want the places where y is greater than or equal to x plus 2, it's going to be above that line.